Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Fine.
And now?
Yeah, 15 centimeters.
I can't see that one.
Come to me a bit. To you. Oh, it's too late. Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Up.
Yeah. Okay. Now you see the pole on your leg.
I'm on the wrong line, eh?
Where's the pole?
Here?
Yeah, reverse. Stay on your side as far as you can. Okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect.
Stand, push it over.
But you can always stop, eh?
Eh? Yeah?
Perfect. Come to me if you need to. Watch the last pole. Watch the last gate ahead of you.
Oh, I need to reverse it. Oh, I can't see the pole then.
Watch your side.
Eh?
Watch your side. Can you go to you a little bit? Can you? Perfect. Keep going as you are. Oh, yeah.
That was better. Where do we finish? Here?